energy imbalance and its effects on the body. When these rates are significantly divergent, however, the body is considered to be in a state of energy imbalance. A negative energy balance occurs when a person expends more energy through activity than he or she consumes from food. A mild negative balance is beneficial since it can lead to weight loss, which is beneficial to those who are overweight. If the negative energy balance becomes too severe, it affects the body's metabolism, hormone production, mental health, cognitive functions, and overall development and growth. A positive energy balance means the person absorbs more energy from food than he or she expends from activities. A modest positive balance is good for your health since it encourages more hormone production, higher activity or metabolism, and better mental, physical, and cognitive wellness. However, if the positive energy balance is disrupted by overeating or following an unhealthy diet, plaque can form in the arteries, blood pressure and cholesterol levels rise, and the risk of insulin resistance, diabetes, and cancer increases. Above all, it has the potential to make a person obese or overweight, triggering all of the diseases listed above. Fat deposits form in the brain's arteries, leading to blood clots and strokes. Blood clots and strokes are caused by fat accumulation in the brain's arteries. Obese people are more likely to have breathing difficulties including asthma and obstructive sleep apnea, which is when the airway closes while sleeping. Overweight people are more likely to develop breathing problems including asthma and obstructive sleep apnea, a condition in which the airway contracts during sleep. Heart and arteries. Because a heavier person's heart has to work more to keep them alive, blood pressure naturally rises, potentially leading to a heart attack or stroke. Blood pressure naturally rises as the heart works harder to keep a larger person alive, which can lead to a heart attack or stroke. Overweight people are more prone to liver illnesses such as cirrhosis and hepatitis, as well as gallbladder stones. Obese people are more likely to develop renal failure and cancer of the kidneys. Adults who are obese are more likely to acquire type 2 diabetes and insulin resistance. Obesity raises the risk of upper stomach, colon, and rectum malignancies in the digestive tract. Obesity raises the risk of upper stomach, colon, and rectum cancers. Obesity raises the risk of upper stomach, colon, and rectum cancers. Obese people are more likely than others to develop carpal tunnel syndrome in their wrists. Erectile dysfunction is more common in obese males, while irregular menstruation, endometrial cancer, and pregnancy-related diseases such as high blood pressure, preeclampsia, and gestational diabetes are more common in obese women. Erectile dysfunction is more common in obese males, while irregular menstruation, endometrial cancer, and pregnancy-related diseases such as high blood pressure, preeclampsia, and gestational diabetes are more common in obese women. A strong negative or a powerful positive, as should be evident from the above, energy balance is harmful to one's health. It's ideal to have a minor negative or mild positive energy balance depending on your current priorities.
Thank you for watching. Hope you will like the video I created for you. Please support me, click on subscribe. Then click on the bell. Please tap the below to view videos of the same series.